5 best wheelbarrows. With the right wheelbarrow, you can quickly and easily move landscaping materials like stones, mulch, soil, and sand around the job easily and quickly. But the question is, how do you know which wheelbarrow will best suit your needs? That's what we're here for. We'll help you find the one that's worthy of your hard-earned money. So join us as we present the 5 best wheelbarrows on the market with different features and styles to meet your needs. For more information on the prices and the products mentioned in this video, head to the description box below for links. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the True Temper Total Control Poly Wheelbarrow. If you want to invest in something that'll lighten your yard work or a reliable, efficient tool to help you carry loads around the job site, check out this full control single wheel poly wheelbarrow. It might be the perfect model for you. It's very convenient and reliable for any gardening and landscaping related work. It's made of a thick and high quality plastic material, making it very lightweight, durable, and non-corrosive. This great wheelbarrow's dimensions are 60 by 29.5 by 26.5 inches and weighs just 35 pounds. It provides enough space to carry a reasonable amount of material to transport. Also, it has a perfect 16-inch tube tire to keep transportation smooth and effortless. It's ideal for all types of terrain and even up or downhill. This excellent wheelbarrow is very tough and can carry loads of up to 6 cubic feet. You'll love its primary feature. It has a highly functional total control handle made of strong steel and a tough poly resin for a firm, secure grip and better maneuvering. This wheelbarrow's specially designed handle makes it easy and very convenient to control. It works perfectly in going uphill or down, moving across uneven or level ground, and even dumping heavy loads, so it'll save you time, energy, and money. At number 2 is the Garden Star Dual Wheel Polytay Yard Rover Wheelbarrow. Are you looking for an ingenious wheelbarrow to give you a reliable hand? Well, here's the perfect companion to help you out with your gardening and landscaping work. It has only 6 bolts, so it's relatively simple to assemble. Its dimensions are 36 by 27.5, and it's suitable for 5 cubic feet. With an assembled product weight of 25 pounds, it's about 25% lighter than a typical wheelbarrow, and it's strong enough to carry up to 300 pounds. This excellent wheelbarrow works well for all yard and garden projects. It's also made of a thick, durable plastic and has impact-resistant, non-rusting tray. It features an innovative loop handle that makes it easy to push, pull, or dump contents and accommodate multiple users. Also, it has dual air-filled tires that ensure even weight distribution, optimal balance, and excellent handling over most terrains. The dual tire is also more maneuverable than the other single-wheel counterparts on the market. This wheelbarrow is also a space saver. It's designed to stand upright or hang on a wall until your next use. Indeed, an ideal piece of equipment for completing a variety of outdoor projects. What did you think of our first 2 featured wheelbarrows? Did one of them match your needs? Well, if not, we still have 3 more to go. Before we continue, if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you can get instant notifications when we upload a new review. And now, back to our list. At number 3 is the Best Choice Dual Wheel Home Wheelbarrow. This heavy-duty, multi-purpose garden cart is perfect for transporting soil, bricks, mulch, gravel, and other landscaping and home improvement projects. This wheelbarrow is lightweight and easy to assemble. It needs just 8 bolts to secure it together with easy-to-follow instructions. Indeed, a heavy-duty wheelbarrow crafted with a powder-coated steel frame that resists rust and guarantees a long-lasting use. Its overall dimensions are 36 by 25 by 20 inches, and its barrel has a depth of 6.5 to 10 inches that can hold up to 5 cubic feet. It's also easy to control. It only weighs 26 pounds. It's very sturdy since it's made of high-quality plastic polyurethane that can hold up to 330 pounds. The wheelbarrow also has thick, padded handlebars that double as a stand when not in use and makes moving the wheelbarrow comfortable. The heavy-duty wheelbarrow is also constructed with 2 inflatable 13-inch rubber wheels to keep the contents in place and easily maneuvered on any surface. It avoids the common problem of having spillage while using a single-wheel wheelbarrow. This wheelbarrow doesn't require more space to store since it's been constructed with a compact body to accommodate easy transportation and storage. An excellent, reliable tool with a lasting life. At number 4 is the Easy Roller Junior 3 cubic foot lawn cart. This wheelbarrow is an ideal item for outdoor work around your lawn or patio. It's perfect to move plants, clippings, and other items. It might be what you're looking for and it'll suit your needs. It's made of high quality plastic material, so it's lightweight and durable. It weighs just 15 pounds. It comes in one piece, so there's nothing to put together. Its dimensions are 37.5 by 20 by 26 inches. It's the perfect size, not too small, not too big. It's also strong and dependable. It can carry loads of up to 200 pounds and accommodate space of up to 3 cubic feet. The all-poly construction with solid tubular steel axle and 2 oversized 11-inch wheels are easy to transport. It also has a tray near the handle with holes perfectly designed to put your garden tools and keep them organized. It has hooks on both sides to carry a shovel, a rake hoe, or anything else you need in the yard. Indeed, this great wheelbarrow is very handy. It's also easy to store. It doesn't occupy very much space, and it's narrow enough when not in use to fit in a small car. It's just the right size and very nice and sturdy with a great price. At number 5 is the Works WG050 Aero Cart 8-in-1 Wheelbarrow. If you need a reliable hand to help you do landscaping projects like moving rocks or large potted plants, the Aero Cart comes to the rescue. This wheelbarrow lets you turn what used to be 2 or 3 person jobs into something you can do by yourself. It's the most innovative cart around, indeed a gardening superhero. It's made of durable, sturdy steel and comes with product dimensions of 22 by 12.5 by 58.5 inches. Its assembled weight is 48.5 pounds. It handles a volume capacity of 34 gallons. This terrific wheelbarrow is a patented design that adjusts the center of gravity for a balanced, easy-to-manage load. It has 2 flat-free tires, so you can have smooth, rugged tires that'll never need inflating. It can hold up to 300 pounds and moves from one place to the next with ease. Moreover, its turbo lift design provides levers to transport tremendous loads as if they were very light, making 200 pounds feel like 17. This amazing wheelbarrow is an 8-function yard cart. With available accessories to add even more functionality, it can quickly transform from a yard cart to a bag holder, dolly, extended dolly, cylinder carrier, rock plant mover, and trailer tote. This innovative tool wheel placement makes all 8 functions possible by shifting the fulcrum and the center of gravity for each job's optimum place. And that takes care of our review of the 5 best wheelbarrows on the market. If you found the one you like, check out the links in the description box below and click on them to get them at their best prices and with free delivery. If you have a product in mind you'd like to see us review next, please let us know in the comments section and our team will get to work to do the research and give you the best review possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we update new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.